Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the monitor has a charged battery and storage ready. Make sure the SD card or internal memory is present. Once done, shave and cleanse the electrode sites with alcohol because oil and hair cause noise. Then place and label the electrodes at the marked position so lead orientation is clear. Attach leads to electrodes with firm snaps. You want solid contact. Finally, power the unit on and watch the initial status lights to confirm it starts recording. You now secure the assembly and verify signal integrity. First, route each lead along the chest and tape them with surgical paper tape, leaving a little slack to avoid tension. Then set recording parameters. For diagnostic quality, choose 250 to 500 Hz and the prescribed duration, because sampling affects rhythm detection. Next, do a real-time signal check on the monitor. Make sure P, QRS, and T waves are visible and baseline is steady. If noise appears, reclean. You finish by securing the recorder in its pouch and confirming the patient understands when the study starts and stops. Make sure they have a symptom diary and emergency contact info, record placement details, and start time in the chart for later correlation. Once the monitoring period ends, remove electrodes, download raw data, and run the upload/analysis workflow. If you encounter persistent artifact or dropout, stop and check electrode adhesion, lead continuity, and battery voltage. Replacing a single poor electrode often resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.